I mean, you want to talk to Amy?
Let me hear that. Let me hear that. I've never heard you. Let me hear you. I order you to speak to. I want to. I want to, but let me hear you say. I order you to speak
Miss
to.
Dallas, you don't want me ordering you. I order people always.
From the very first seconds, Judge Simpson establishes courtroom authority. When he insists on hearing the words, "I order you to speak," that's not just banter. It's a reminder that this is a formal judicial proceeding. Authority in court matters because compliance matters. This case isn't framed as a simple disagreement. It's already positioned as structured legal conflict. The judge's tone signals familiarity with Miss Dallas, suggesting prior appearances. That familiarity can cut both ways. It can create rapport, but it can also shape judicial expectations. This is a landlord-tenant dispute, but notice how quickly the tone becomes personal and dynamic. That sets the stage for tension. We're not just dealing with paperwork, we're dealing with patterns, behavior, and credibility. And your early courtroom demeanor often influences how seriously a judge takes future representations. That matters when payment plans, extensions, or hardship arguments come into play. The core issue is unpaid rent, but beneath that, stability, accountability, and whether the court believes a workable solution exists. That's the lens we must watch this through.
Where are we on this case?
Your Honor, I believe Ms. Dallas was going to submit an SCR, or that might have already happened. So it looks like she made a payment of $800 on, no, that might be from July. Yeah. So I have a balance of $1,886.
1,886.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Miss Dallas, how are you going to get that paid?
Okay, so the SCR came back. It was declined again, so they didn't approve it. So I wanted to see if we could do this, because it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to pay it. If I move out, they keep the security deposit, and we just like squash the whole
Okay, I see what
thing.
you're saying.
Yeah, just keep it. No eviction on my thing. Like if I just leave, because it doesn't look like it's working out for me right now, and I don't want to keep, you know. I tried to call the leasing office, but I couldn't get through, and no emails have been responded to.
Have you gone to? Did you go through Hawk? Did you call them?
I called. Yeah, I called them. They were like, she flat out told me, she was like, if you need help this time, then our concern is that you're going to need help again, and something like that. It was something. Basically, she said no. The lady I talked to, it was basically no.
She was okay. So what she was really saying is, if we give you the money, are you going to be able to pay the rent in the future?
I told her, like I said, I told her yeah and stuff like that, but it just like nothing happened after. It was basically like a no. So I don't want to. I don't want the balance to keep going up and everything, and like it's been doing.
Right.
I just think it'll be better if I move and just chop
Do
it up
you
as
have
a
a
loss.
place? All right, Miss Dallas, do you have a place to go?
Yeah. I mean, like I'll figure it out. I'd rather just not, I don't want the balance to keep going up. I got it. I can figure it out.
Okay. That really sounds confident.
It is. I'm very confident. Like I said, yes, it's gonna be. I'm very confident that I'll figure it out. I would just rather not like the balance to keep going up and stuff like that. Like I can just move out and they can keep the security deposit and all of that.
Miss Dallas, okay. But Miss Dallas, let me ask you this. Let's say there were a way that you could find to pay the $886 that would make you good through the end of August. Come September, are you going to be able to pay the rent?
I don't know. That's why I don't. I don't want to keep.
All right.
I don't want to keep doing that.
No, I got you. That's what you didn't really say that out loud to me, and I just want to make sure that that's what we're dealing with.
That's embarrassing, but I don't know. Everything is like I don't know right now.
Okay, so How much time are you going to need to get yourself moved?
Probably just like till Tuesday. It's a studio apartment, so it's not like I'm moving.
Okay. Yes.
I do want to say, this is a landlord, the plaintiff in this matter is requesting, a money judgment as well.
Right.
That does complicate.
Right.
It's not for possession only.
You got that, Miss?
I didn't hear. She was a little muffled. What did she
They're
say?
requesting a money judgment too.
Oh, well, I
So
don't have.
that means that's the part. It's not like if you don't pay and just move, it's good. They also want a money judgment, so that's the thing that will follow you around.
This is a major legal clarification. Miss Dallas appears to think moving out and forfeiting the security deposit might resolve the matter, but Judge Simpson corrects that assumption directly. A money judgment is separate from possession. Even if she vacates, the landlord can still pursue the remaining debt. A money judgment can affect credit, be reported to collection agencies, and in some jurisdictions allow garnishment. That's what the judge means when he says it will follow you around. He's not dramatizing. He's explaining long-term legal consequences. This moment shifts the stakes. It's no longer just about leaving the apartment. It's about financial impact beyond this courtroom. Many tenants misunderstand this distinction, and that misunderstanding can be costly. At this point, the court is trying to ensure informed decision-making, because once judgment is entered, reversing it is far more difficult.
Okay. Well, I don't have the money right now. I tried to do the resource things and stuff like that, and it's just not working on my end. I hear it working for everybody else. I don't know what they're saying that I'm not saying or anything like that.
Okay.
But
at least,
like I said,
Your Honor,
Okay, what'd you say? Go ahead.
if I'm wondering if I would need to speak with my client, but there might be some sort of, payment plan that they could enter into with Ms. Dallas as far as the balance.
Okay, so Ms. Dallas,
I hear you on the payment plan, but like I said, I just had a baby. I'm not working right now. I'm a foster kid, so I don't have any family or babysitters that she can go to while I go work. It's literally just me. Her father was helping, but he's not anymore. So I can't say like, oh, I'll do a payment plan because it's like I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything, but it just might not work.
No, I got you.
Now the human context becomes explicit. A newborn baby, no employment, no family support network, the father no longer assisting. These facts explain the financial breakdown, but legally they do not eliminate rent obligations. Contract law does not dissolve due to hardship. However, judges are not blind to circumstances. Judge Simpson's tone shifts slightly. He probes about housing plans, safety, and stability. Courts often attempt to prevent homelessness where possible, especially when a child is involved. But the limitation remains. The court cannot manufacture income. Ms. Dallas also admits a payment plan might not work. That honesty, while sincere, signals uncertainty. Courts rely on enforceable commitments. If compliance appears doubtful, judicial flexibility shrinks. This moment reflects the tension between legal duty and lived reality. The court must enforce agreements, yet it is clearly concerned about her stability and the child's well-being. That balance defines this case.
No,
It's just me, so.
All right. So, but I realize that, Ms. Dallas, and I'm just trying to figure out, you say you could be out in a little bit. I realize there may not be much to move, but where are you? Do you have a place to go? Or what are you?
I say I'll figure it out. Not really, but I'm welcomed at a friend's house. But I don't know how long I'll be able to stay with her. But like I said, I'll figure it out. I'll put myself on a waiting list for, where Forrest Knoll is.
Yeah, I do.
They said that I should hear something.
It's still in my jurisdiction.
Okay. Anyway,
I'm just saying.
I put myself on their waiting list. I pleaded and stuff with them. They seem like they're gonna get me into something really soon.
All right, Miss Dallas. Let's do this.
Here's Amy.
Okay.
Amy, Miss Dallas is trying to like make her own decisions about stuff. And having dealt with Miss Dallas, that doesn't always work well.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I know, but you know I'm right. You know I'm right.
You didn't have to say it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, okay, I didn't mean to say it like that.
You said it like that, but go ahead.
I tried to say it nicer, but it just didn't come out that way.
You just threw me in the middle of the street and let me get hit. But go ahead.
Whoa!
Her plans don't work out. But anyway, go ahead.
So, all right. So, what I'm likely to do in this case, would you mind talking to her and seeing? She had a conversation. I don't know if you heard. I guess when she called Hog. Pardon?
Yeah, I've been listening the whole time, Your Honor. I would like to speak with her if she is open to speaking with me.
Miss Dallas, if you want me to order you to talk to her, I will. But I mean, you want to talk to Amy?
Let me hear that. Let me hear that. I've never heard you. Let me hear you. I order you to speak to. I want to, but let me hear you say, I order you to speak to.
Miss Dallas, you don't want me ordering you. I order people all week.
Okay, I just never.
Miss Dallas, I'm going to order you to speak with Amy. Is that better? I know. What she did, she gonna act like, oh my God, you hurt me.
My feelings.
Okay. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put you into a breakout room so that you can talk with Amy and see if there are options so you can sustain it. I don't want you out there just kind of wandering around and hopping around from place to place.
Around in your jurisdiction.
This is procedural strategy. Rather than immediately ruling, Judge Simpson pauses the formal adversarial posture and moves toward problem solving. Breakout rooms in virtual court function as mediated negotiation spaces. They allow tenants to speak privately with housing specialists or opposing counsel to explore payment arrangements or transitional solutions. Notice the judge's reasoning. I don't want you out there just kind of wandering around. That signals protective intent. He's attempting to avoid disorderly eviction. Courts often prefer structured exits over abrupt displacement. This is judicial discretion at work, not altering the law, but managing the process. If a workable agreement emerges, it could prevent immediate enforcement. If not, the court retains authority to proceed. The tone remains firm but measured. Authority is maintained, but opportunity is provided. That balance is deliberate.
Okay, let me just say this. I'm going to be blunt about it. After last Friday, I am just trying to do some grocery shopping so I can have something to eat.
Oh my goodness.
So it's full disclosure. I'm just walking through the store. I decided to go to the bakery section because I just wanted something sweet.
He had a whole bunch of
Who shows up? Who rolls up on me? Dallas. Rolls up on me in the grocery store. Then stares at me and then says, because I guess people don't think judges are like human beings, you actually shop for yourself? Really? Really?
This unexpected anecdote humanizes the courtroom. Judges rarely reveal personal interactions with litigants, but here Judge Simpson uses humor to ease tension. However, there's an underlying message: boundaries. When litigants encounter judges outside court, professional separation still applies. The judge subtly reminds viewers that judges are human, yet still judicial officers. This moment also reinforces familiarity. He knows Ms. Dallas personally enough to recall prior behavior. The humor does not erase the legal stakes. Instead, it resets the emotional temperature before transitioning to protective reasoning about her child and stability. This is courtroom management through personality. Firm authority layered with approachability. It's strategic, not casual. Judges often use light moments to maintain cooperation while guiding parties toward structured outcomes.
I can't believe it. It's like seeing a celebrity in public. You're like, what are you doing out here without bodyguards?
I'm just trying to get food. I gotta eat too.
I'm like, where you
with her?
And Miss Engine asked, did she have her baby with her? And yes, she did. And that is the cutest little thing.
You guys want to see her? She's sleeping. Hold on, let me show you the baby. Let me show you my. She was sleeping.
See, yes.
Everybody.
Oh,
Look at that.
goodness.
And that's part of the reason I don't want you just trying to.
She don't
It
play
was
about her sleep.
okay before when you were by yourself just trying to do whatever, Miss Dallas. You got somebody else that's got to come with you. So let's try to, if we can, put you in the safest place we can possibly, or try to arrange it so that it's more orderly. Okay?
Okay.
She just never. That's the other thing. So maybe Amy, you can talk sense it to her because she never wants to agree with me. She's been. It doesn't matter what I said. I could say the sky is gray. She's going to say it's red.
It's actually really blue today.
See, this is what I'm talking about. I know it's gray because it's raining. I'm looking at it.
It's a hint of blue. It's like a bluish gray. Not like
That was please. August 23rd, 2024 at 3 p.m.
And you want me to go? You ordered me to talk to her, right? You want me to stay here?
If you want to, but yes, I'm ordering you. So you stay right there. We're going to put you and Amy into a breakout room so she can give you options. Okay, Miss Dallas, or talk to you about and explore some options for you. All right.
All right. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you on the
same.
23rd at 3 o'clock or at Kroger.
What'd you say?
I'll see you at the 23rd at 3 o'clock or at Kroger. In the bakery section, getting all that stuff. Yeah, watch your sugar, man.
Thank you, Miss Dallas. Always a pleasure.
This hearing concludes without immediate eviction, but without resolution either. Judge Simpson pauses enforcement and directs negotiation. That is significant. The landlord's request for a money judgment remains active. The balance of $1,886 remains outstanding. The next court date, August 23rd at 3 p.m., becomes pivotal. Legally, the case stands at a crossroads. If Miss Dallas secures assistance or negotiates a structured agreement, the outcome could stabilize. If not, possession and money judgment are likely. The judge demonstrated both authority and discretion, clarifying legal consequences while attempting to prevent instability involving a newborn child. This case illustrates how eviction court operates. Contract enforcement balanced against human circumstance. The law provides structure, but resolution depends on credible plans and follow-through. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.